Welcome or welcome back to the channel. I'm Artsy. I have some updates for you. The first, look at Graveline. Graveline. Notice anything different? This is what it looked like before. And look at these bricks. It has been paved. When was this done? 2 weeks ago? What you saying to me? Alright, thanks. A brick lane. Okay. Look at gravel lane. Look at gravel lane. I'm not going all the way up top. Just showing you guys. Nice. Much needed improvement. Don't you agree? Anyways, I'm Artsy and this is our Developments in Montego Bay series where I focus on developments in Montego Bay, and today's video is an update video. Let's check out the other updates I have for you. Christmas decoration. The Christmas tree is back. I will definitely check out Harmony Beach Park after this to see what's up that side as well. Redecoration. Let's stop by Harbour City Shopping Centre to see what they're up to. Alright, so it's coming on nicely. No, they're not finished it yet. What I'm waiting on. Right. So that little panel thing right there wasn't there before. See the man working on it. Oh my gosh, you can actually see the sea. They're up there. I want to record. See? I'm doing them digging over here so we can cross. Oh gosh, you see the plane coming in? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. See what it looks like. Meat deli. Cool. Okay. See inside there. Okay. Like it's so up. Okay. And then I'm digging up. And nice little bus shed. See? Okay. This man look like he might go in there. my peep. Oh my god. Alright, and 876 Sheen Fashion. What? They might have Sheen here? What is this advertisement? Cool. Alrighty. What's up? Let's go around to the North Gully side, see if there are any changes since our last visit. if it's open to the public, but I'll check it out. Nothing much from this side. Not much from this side. Of course, this is the North Gully, and Harmony Beach Park is over here. They have the tree there. No, no. Right. So they do have a tree at Harmony, just not the same tree. They have a different tree at Harmony Beach Park. There. Okay. See? And there's a public Wi-Fi sign. See the tree there? Okay, good. Right. It looks like the park is now open. That's the old hospital park. Yeah, gates are open. Alright, cool. Yeah, park is now open. Whoop de doop de doop doop doop. Yeah, good stuff.